What's going on?
He was playing around. We're
Could
gonna
you
have to
pull
go
him?
in the dark.
Could you pull him backwards?
That's what
What
we're
you're gonna do? Oh, okay.
You made a call.
Oh, great minds.
Mhm.
Yeah, just pull him backwards. Right here.
Yeah.
Careful.
Let's try.
Yeah. My goodness. I don't think I've ever been so close to these electricity.
Unlock the door.
Oh, shush, hold on.
Oh no, you know what?
What? Oh, okay. These power lines, and listen to that. You can hear the crackling of the electricity going through the power lines. Listen to that. That's loud. Seriously. Wow. Okay, so here we are. We're going down the road here. Don't ask what road, because I have no idea where we're at. We're in the middle of, like, God knows where, and there's snow everywhere. And so these young people here in this Camry were horsing around, and they got themselves stuck in the mud. So we're going to go ahead and give it a try and see if we can get them out. We're going to pull them backwards and see if we can help them out here. That's what we're gonna do. I think I was holding this downward the whole time because I'm busy looking around all over the place and just kind of enjoying the scene.